Howdy everyone. Thank you for joining me. Alright. I just wanted to share with you how to pick lettuce seeds. So let me show you. Come on you guys. So we got so look. Well, turn this way, camera. Well, I've already been picking some. They're there. Maybe you guys can see them. Hopefully, but anyway, as you can see, I'll show you. The lettuce, that's edible. Well, you know, obviously, you see it's starting to get dried and stuff, but it grows up looking like this. It grows from that little one, my shadow, to this. And then you get these little flowers. See? Little flowers. Dun, dun. And, oh, that's asparagus that I overgrew. And then you get these little fluffy things. Oh, my shadow. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Yeah. And you get these little fluffy things. And that's what you pick off. And I just pinch and pull. Whoop. And those are the seeds. Then I put them in my little bag. I'll show you a couple times so you can see. So let me see. See this right here? Little white fluffy. Right there. It's a little tedious job, but I just pinch it and pull and see it comes off like that. And I just put the whole thing in there. Eventually, after a while, this will all dry out and whatever. It'll go away. Trust me, this is one of the easier ways. Like that. Get all nice and fluffy. After they become flowers, they'll open up to beautiful yellow flowers. They're very beautiful. And then they'll start to get these little, like that's not quite ready yet. It's not, I can tell that the seeds aren't developed yet. You want them to look all fluffy, all open. Let's see if I can show you. And then they come out, and those are the seeds. Then in the springtime, you can plant them. Alright everyone, well anyway, those are the lettuce seeds, and hopefully you guys get some use out of it and are able to plant your own lettuce and get some good yummy fresh lettuce, and then get your own seeds and keep going at it. Alright, well anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys can subscribe to my Instagram channel, CasualGirl987, and share and like and subscribe to this channel. Pass it on to others. I can use more subscribers, you guys. Well, you guys have a wonderful day. It's hot, so I'm gonna wrap it up, and thank you for watching. Bye.